In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Excel to default settings. If Excel has been behaving differently than usual, or if you've changed some settings and want to get back to a more standard setup, this process can help you return things to normal. Keep in mind that Excel doesn't always have one single reset button for every preference. So in this walkthrough, we'll go into the settings area and change any customized options back to their default state. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, you can begin reviewing the settings that may have been changed over time. This is useful if your toolbar looks different, your formulas behave in an unexpected way, or general display and editing preferences no longer match the default experience. Next, click the File tab. You'll find this in the top left corner of the Excel window. Clicking File opens the Backstage view, where you can access account details, open and save options, and most importantly, for this tutorial, Excel's main settings menu. From there, select Options. This will open the Excel Options window, which contains the main categories of settings for the program. You may see sections for General, Formulas, Proofing, Save, Language, and more. This is where Excel stores many of the customizations users make over time. Now go through the settings and change any customized options back to their defaults if needed. Since there may not be a universal reset for every category, this step involves reviewing the areas you know were modified. For example, if you changed the default font, altered how worksheets are displayed, adjusted formula calculation behavior, or customized editing preferences, this is the time to set those back. If you're unsure what was changed, move carefully and only update the settings you recognize. That can help avoid changing something you still want to keep. Once you've finished restoring those settings, click OK to save your changes. Then restart Excel. Restarting the program is important because it allows the updated settings to fully take effect. When Excel opens again, check that everything looks and behaves the way you expect. If needed, you can repeat the same process and review other settings categories until Excel feels fully reset to your preferred default experience. Thank you for watching.